what's going on, Laura? He's got his first hiccups outside the womb. It's because he had some supper.
Yeah,
Again.
nice feeding.
He's doing such a good job.
I can't laugh or I'm going to shake the camera. But I want you.
He's trying so hard to fall asleep with his hiccups.
That's so cute.
He would do this like 5 or 6 times a day inside.
Yeah. What'd that feel like inside?
Exactly what it feels like holding or touching somebody with a hiccup. Except for inside your belly.
That's so cute.
Oh, it's so hard to stay awake with the hiccups.
One more.
There